Hi, so you're new to our Discord and feeling a little bit confused. Let's walk you through how to get started.
First, we have rules because we want to keep this a nice, wholesome place. If you're not here to be wholesome, might I recommend some other Discords to hang out in, like Meanie Hut Juniors or Super Meanie Hut Juniors.
Once you've read the rules, you can assign yourself the role of a Kevin by clicking right here. If you've joined our streams before, you might know what a Kevin is. It's the self-chosen name of our community and a combination of our names.
Oh.
Aww.
Now it's time to customize what you see on our Discord.
Like making? Choose the maker tag to see all of our making-related Discord channels.
Into gaming, click the gamer tag to see all of our gaming-related Discord channels.
Like gaming and making? Well, you're a well-rounded person, aren't ya? Choose both tags to see all the things.
Also, if you're tired of missing notifications from a certain content platform, Twitch, then you can toggle on notifications for various content in the self-assigned roles.
Thanks for watching this brief tutorial video. Have a great day.